Alright, hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today we're going with some Easter vibes rather than some St. Patrick's Day vibes, the hot balloon inspired Easter basket. So let's get started. I found all my materials at the Dollar Tree. You'll need a basket, cool colored or designed straws, paper grass. This one was actually specifically made for Easter, so that's pretty cool too. You also need scissors, super or gorilla glue, pliers, a bouncy ball or balloon, depending on how long you want this to actually last. A bouncy ball will definitely give it more weight as well, and a hot glue gun, obviously with hot glue. I'm starting off with my pliers to detach the handle from my basket. This definitely took some finessing. But once I had both sides off, I came in with my straws in the color that I wanted. Since my straws were the spoon on one end kind, I just cut the spoon end off of one and then lined the ends up so that they will all be the same length. You're going to want to put these in a square formation. This would obviously be a lot easier with a square basket, but work with what you got. I used a dollop of hot glue to the end of each straw and placed it where I wanted it to be. I also found that I need to secure it a little bit better before continuing on, though I'm unsure if this would happen with a squared off basket, but let me know if you try it. Once the glue had dried and they are secured, be sure that the bouncy balls or balloon you are using fits at least semi-nicely. I then added the Gorilla Super Glue and waited for it to dry just a tiny bit, positioned the ball to fit and held it in place until it was fully dry. I also found since the ball was heavier than the bottom pieces together, that flipping it over and letting it dry upside down worked better. It may look a little bit wonky at first, but after you put the paper grass in it, it definitely held its own. Then add whatever you want and you are done.